Need to share your screen during a Zoom meeting? Whether it's a presentation, tutorial, or collaboration, here's how to do it step by step. First, open Zoom on your laptop and click New Meeting to start a session. Once you're in the meeting, look for the green Share Screen button at the bottom center and click it. Now, a window will pop up showing all the available screens and windows you can share. You have two main options. You can share your entire screen, which shows everything you do, or you can share a specific window, like your browser or a PowerPoint presentation. If you want to include your computer's audio, like background music or sound from a video, make sure to check the Share Sound box at the bottom left corner before clicking Share. Once you're ready, hit the Share button on the bottom right. Your screen is now live. Zoom will highlight the shared area with a green border, and you'll see a control bar at the top to pause or stop sharing at any time. When you're done, just click Stop Share to return to the meeting view. And that's how to share your screen on Zoom using a laptop. Like and follow for more quick guides to help you stay productive.